Hey friends! Keeping your accessories powered up is crucial for daily productivity, especially when using these high-performance rechargeable batteries in 2026. In this video, we're taking a look at the best rechargeable batteries for accessories in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the high-quick rechargeable batteries. This rapid charging system utilizes advanced pulse current technology to energize AAA batteries in just 2 hours and AA cells in under 5. It features 8 independent slots and a clear LED display to monitor the charging progress for each individual battery unit. Supporting 1200 cycles, these eco-friendly cells retain 80% of their capacity even after 3 years of sitting idle in your drawer. The charger's Type-C port and microcomputer protection ensure your home remains safe from overvoltage or overheating issues during use. It is a fantastic choice for high-drain devices that require constant, fast, and safe energy replenishment every single day. Next up, our second product, the EBL rechargeable batteries. These 2,800 mAh high-capacity cells utilize ProPsycho technology to provide reliable power for digital cameras, remote controls, and high-energy children's toys. With the ability to undergo 500 recharge cycles, they represent a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional disposable batteries. The improved low self-discharge design ensures that these cells keep 80% of their capacity even after 3 years of non-use. They arrive pre-charged for immediate convenience, though a full initial charge is recommended to reach their maximum potential energy. Included storage cases help keep your organized battery supply safe, secure, and ready for any household electronic needs you might have. Coming in at number 3, the Wenjup rechargeable batteries. These 1,100 mAh AAA cells offer a sustainable power solution for remotes and game controllers without the annoying interference of memory effect. Lab tested to survive 1,200 charging cycles, they help families save significant money while drastically reducing the waste created by single-use batteries. Their leak-proof DBCK steel construction is free from toxic mercury and lead, ensuring total safety for your home and the environment. You will find that these cells maintain 85% of their charge even after 3 years in long-term storage. Universal compatibility ensures they work perfectly in almost any accessory, making them a dependable and cost-effective household energy choice for everyone. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the EBL rechargeable batteries. This comprehensive power kit features 8 AA and 8 AAA batteries along with a smart charger that accommodates up to 8 units. Using ProPsycho 1200 technology, these cells endure 500 deep charge cycles while maintaining high performance for your most used household devices. A standout feature is the charger's dual USB ports, which allow you to power up smartphones and batteries at the same time. The low self-discharge rate keeps 80% of the charge intact even after 3 years of sitting on a shelf. Organized storage cases make it simple to transport your backup power during travel or outdoor camping trips for maximum convenience and portability. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the PowerOwl rechargeable batteries. Designed with 1.2 nmH cells, this set provides high-capacity performance that can be recharged an impressive 1,200 times for long-term use. The smart charger is chip-controlled to automatically stop the flow of electricity once full capacity is reached, preventing dangerous overcharging. Independent slots allow for mixing and matching AA and AAA batteries during a single session, while the trickle charge extends overall life. These environmentally friendly cells contain no harmful substances, making them a safe and green power source for toothbrushes and game controllers. This combination of durability and intelligent monitoring delivers a highly reliable and efficient energy solution for modern families and dedicated tech enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Have a question or suggestion? Leave it in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.